If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to a JASMY video update today. And we're pretty much sideways boring, and I've talked about the weekly time frame on Bitcoin update today, and that's something that you guys have to keep in mind as well, because the weekly time frame does show some small difference as well, but we do have one day and 11 hours to close the weekly time frame. So if I do show you some of this stuff, I'm just going to remove the drawings. It's too much drawings right now, and one can even say that I didn't actually pay attention to this place, that on the weekly you do have this one resistance as well. I actually didn't pay attention to it, but it's important because you got one touch, trend touch, second trend touch, third and fourth trend touch. That's actually a very valid resistance right now. And I've actually even mentioned this because on the daily it's actually quite clear that you do have that one little bit of a problem right there. But anyways, on the daily, you can even say that, oh, we're trying to break above this level, right? Isn't it? Because let's look at the daily as well. So the first time you try to come up here, you ended up with a wick, and then you push to the downside, okay? And then you try to break out, you made a wick, you came down, and again you break it out, you came for the retest, but you failed the retest and you continue to go even lower. Okay, now in here, when you push to the upside, you try to break it again, and when you try to break it, you came to the downside, and then you try to push it up again. And this is like, actually this is for the first time, and this is good. This is really good. Just because you have dojis on the weekly doesn't mean you're going to go down, because doji, again, they are decisive. They don't mean bearish, they don't mean bullish, they make decisions. And this is for the first time on the daily. We've actually made that one doji right on the support level, second doji, inverted hammer right on the support, hammer itself right on the support. So it's pretty clear, guys. I still remain with one thing, that coming below 448, this level, coming below here is going to be bad. And if things go perfectly fine and you have this one beautiful pattern in play, if you have this pattern that is about to get in play, then you might be looking for a push from there to there, and you have even a higher target from 7,000. We're talking about 9,992 all of a sudden now, right? So this is going to be a push all the way up to 87.01, 87% actually. So let's see what happens. This is actually quite positive for the fact that this is for the first time you're actually bouncing off that support area, and I think I'm pretty positive on it, because there are positive signs. You can see this is your bullish cross right there. You came down, you made the backtest of the bullish cross, is still bouncing off the 10. This is actually pretty good, and you're also making and holding that resistance that you didn't break out of ever since October 2022, and this is for the first time you're holding it. So that's actually positive. It is positive. So let's see what happens, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.